When you get up in that shopping center, there's no trees.
Yeah, that's what my goal is, to get up there. We're in pursuit. Severe warning thunderstorm. Tammy and I are taking the edge out. You're watching Cloudman Local. Make sure you like and subscribe. Massive shelf cloud moving into Sheffield. I've been tracking this thing through Elyria out to here. Hoping it goes overhead so I can get a good shot of it. Hoping to capture some of the big lightning bolts. There was some large lightning as Tammy and I were approaching the area. There's a little bit. Got this giant shelf taking shape here in Sheffield, Ohio. Oh, we got some lightning over there in that part of it. Alright, give me some of that lightning. There we go. Give me some more. Some giant bolts of lightning. Come on, let's see it. We're here in Sheffield, Ohio with this beautiful, and I missed the lightning again. All right, let's see some of that lightning. Got this giant shelf cloud here in Sheffield, Ohio. Beautiful shelf cloud. Next to tornadoes, shelf clouds are my favorite. Oh yeah, that's some good lightning in the sky. I definitely got that. Come on, give me one more. Giant shelf cloud coming over Sam's Club. Exactly. Hey, you have a good night. Had somebody stop by and see what I was up to. Alright, the shelf's starting to fall apart. Yeah, this storm was worth the chase, that's for sure. Shelf is pretty much over my head now. We got a double rainbow after the storm. That was really cool.
We're the name you call when the calm feels wrong, when the clouds feel right. Cloudman local, we're right in the edge. Tailwind talking at the county line.